Hello everyone, it's La Rosa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my page. Today I am reviewing this Faszin professional hair straightener. It's actually Faszin as in Faszin. I love it already. I got to choose the color. I'm so grateful to this company for gifting me this product to give my honest review. I'm not just reviewing, but I'm going to show you guys how it works on my 4C hair. See that? Natural hair. 4 years old, I have never styled. I've never applied heat on my hair. Not even, I blow dried like low heat sometimes, but I have never straightened my hair before. Okay, that is what it looks like. You know how we do it. Let's read the specifications. Now, let's see. It says this is an ionic one-pass styling iron. What does it say about that? What else does it say? It says that it is tens of millions of ions, fast heat up tech, 360 degrees swivel cord, of course, the 3D flexible floating plate, one-pass styling titanium plate, and then 110 mm wider plate. And up here it says that it takes about 20 seconds to heat up up to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's see what that is in Fahrenheit. Like some of us that are over here in America, we would like to see what 180 degrees Celsius actually is in degrees Fahrenheit. And Google said it is 356 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what Google says. So yeah, it takes 20 seconds to heat up. We'll see about that. You guys please check out their website www.faszin.com/collection /Faszin shield. I'm gonna put the product link in my description box. So effortlessly styling in one pass, aerospace grade smooth glide titanium plate, plugged in, heat fast, 20 seconds up to 180 degrees Celsius. Gentle care for every strand, 3D adaptive floating plate, and then 11 level custom heat control from 150 degrees Celsius up to 230 degrees Celsius. I had to read that again to see, you guys. Ooh, okay, we'll see. Because this is the one I had when I want to curl my wigs or whatever. And I've used it once a year, the Chi, what do you call it? So I don't want this video being too long, but we're gonna compare. This is an honest review, so we'll see about that. Okay, like we always do it. Let's open it up. Any other thing you guys can read from here, especially when it comes to the voltage. From 100 AC volt, from 100 to 240 volt, volt, all the stuff, www, whatever it is. I'm gonna put the link and then you can go read up on it. I'm not gonna waste our time because it's already we're already far into this. Okay. Nice. Came with instructions. Love the color. Hair clips. Go with the hair clips. Okay. I love that I got to choose a color. Look at that. That is cool. Looks like it locks. So, right there. It's not gonna open up because of the kit until look at that. Lock it up. Today I just feel like standing and making this review because I am very sleepy. I am so sleepy. That is cute. Came with a carrying pouch. Okay. Clip. I don't know how to straighten my hair, honestly, but I'm gonna try my best Actually, let's do this one and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. I'm not gonna straighten my whole hair because this may take forever, and most importantly, I've never straightened this hair before since I got a whole haircut, bald hair, since I went natural. So, but because of you guys, I'm gonna try one time. See, my hair is fussy hair. I'm gonna try to do it one time, and if I like it, I'll get a professional person to help me straighten my whole hair. I've been meaning to do it, but I'm like, no, I'm not ready to. I wash my hair every 2 weeks and then I braid it down like this, and I put on wigs if I like. I had just braided my hair like 4 days ago, so I braided myself. Braided it 4 days ago, and this came. I'm like, oh god, now I have to. And then I think I also tried to coil a wig. Like I said, I'm not professional, so this looks like it's gonna be beginner friendly. I love to. I wish I could do it so I can, trim my hair. I don't trim it properly. I just use scissors and do this. Like all the way to the front. Plug in it, press and hold, turn it on, 360 degrees. It's already up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So I love that they set this one to my country, to America or whatever. I wouldn't have to Google what 180 is. How many seconds do we have, guys? So far, so good. $340. 360 degrees Fahrenheit, that fast. Okay. Yup, it's hot, that fast. This minus button, this is to set the temperature. Nice. The plus sign. Look, the highest you can go is up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know about Celsius, but that will look like. So that's it. Ooh, I feel the heat. Okay. Okay, let's start styling. This is my hair. Faszin natural black girl's hair. Ooh, let's damage it. Set up to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat damage. And then now I can safely trim it. I'll do that later. Tell me what you think. So let's plug the chi. This is what it looks like in just about 3 to 4 passes. Look at that. And I don't know my heat control. I've never straightened my hair by myself before. So when I used to perm my hair, I used to just perm it. So this is my first time actually straightening my hair. And this is my natural hair. Let's plug up the chi hair straightener. It's already on, okay. And then I don't know when it will heat up. I have to wait for it because there's no digital, you know. I can't even check the temperature. That's why I never used it, because I don't even know. I just wait for it to heat up and then I use it. That's why I attempted one time, but I couldn't. When I still had my hair in 2019, something like that, before I went natural. But look at, so imagine if I flat ironed everything. It look very beautiful. I love that I got to choose this color. That's what I'm doing. It's still hot and it's not plugged in. I'm waiting on chi to get heated up while I take my cover photo. So I waited about 2 minutes of taking picture of my cover page for the chi to get heated up. This is the chi. One pass. Three passes. We get the idea. Now, this is my own style of review. I never compare products side by side. I just show you what I have. But I know as a black woman and all that stuff, we like to see what's what. So this is the Faszin. About same with the only thing is that with this type, I don't know my temperature setting. I just wait for it to heat up, you know. And then this plate is this plate is wider. So that's one thing. I like that I can control the temperature setting and that it has digital display screen. So that's my honest review. I'm gonna go ahead and rebraid my hair back. Ooh, I like it. Let me at least attempt to trim to this. Attempt to trim this one. Imagine doing all of them. Oh my god, I never seen my hair like this, my own hair. Okay, let's go ahead and braid it back. I love that. I love it blow dried. Oh, I love it straightened out. Okay. See that? See the difference? The non-straightened hair and the straightened hair. Look at that. Look at the difference in length. Thank you, Faszin. I love it. And I'm keeping it. I keep everything I've been given for you. You guys, check out the discount code down at my description box. Take out the discount code, guys. Use it, make use of it, because you're gonna love it. At least now I can know what temperature setting works best for my hair. Sorry about the long video, but I had to show you what it looks like on a beginner like me and on a virgin hair, not just natural Faszin hair. So I decided to call this a little bit of this one, since I didn't want to do actual damages to my hair. I almost forgot. I don't know how to coil, but I'm gonna try. Sorry for the long video, guys. Sorry. Accidentally pressing this button. So you guys, you get the idea. This is a wig, but you get the idea. See, so from wavy hair to straight wig. I just wanted to show you guys. That's if I wanted to coil it, but you know, I'm not doing a great job with coiling. But that's what it looks like. And then straightening it goes just regular. Straighten versus non-straighten. Okay, you get the idea. Coily straighten with the Faszin hair straightener. Okay, just because I don't want to damage my own hair. I don't want to apply heat, rather, not really damage. But okay, thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Ask your question and I'll ask the company. Do not forget to use the discount code. Click on their website in my description box and turn on your notification bell. That's better. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.